Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find bulk creates in Openart AI. This is especially useful if you want to create multiple image options at once, instead of generating one image, checking it, changing the prompt, and repeating the same process over and over. We'll walk through exactly where the bulk option lives and how to use it effectively, all within the image variations workflow. By the end, you'll know how to use batch size like a bulk create feature, so you can explore more styles, compare different looks, and speed up your creative process. First, open your browser and head to the Openart Suite homepage. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Image. This takes you into the main image workspace. This is where most image generation tools are grouped, so it's the best place to start when you want to create, edit, or explore image ideas inside Openart. You can generate single images here, but for bulk style output, we'll take a quick detour to a more powerful area. Single image generation is good when you already know exactly what you want, but bulk creation is better when you want options, variations, or different creative directions from the same starting point. At the top of the workspace, switch to Image Variations. This is the section designed to create multiple takes on a single idea or reference, and it's where the bulk setting is located. Think of this area as a way to remix or explore one concept several different ways, while still keeping the same base image or general direction. Before you proceed, choose the model you want to use. Different models can vary in style, speed, and fidelity, so pick one that fits your goal. Fast drafts for quick exploration, or higher quality options when detail matters. For example, if you're testing ideas for thumbnails, social posts, product concepts, or character designs, a faster model can help you explore quickly. But if you're creating something final or client-ready, a higher quality model may give you cleaner details. Next, start with an image. Variations need a reference, so click to begin from an existing picture. Use the Upload button, or select a file you've already got handy. When you choose your image and confirm, give it a moment to load. This reference image gives Openart a visual starting point, so the results are not completely random and stay connected to the original idea. For best results, use a clear, well-lit source with the subject centered. Standard formats like JPG or PNG work well, and moderate resolution helps keep processing smooth without losing detail. Try to avoid images that are too dark, too blurry, heavily cropped, or filled with too many distracting elements, because the cleaner your source image is, the easier it is for the model to create useful variations. Now describe your variation in the text field. Be specific about what you want changed: style, mood, colors, camera angle, or any elements to add or de-emphasize. Short, clear phrases usually outperform long, tangled sentences. If there are things you don't want, mention them briefly too. For example, you could say, "Create a cinematic version with warm lighting. Make the background cleaner." Or, "Keep the main subject the same, but change the color palette." Here's the key to bulk: adjust the batch size. This control sets how many images are generated in one go, which functions as the bulk create feature. So instead of searching for a separate button called bulk create, you're really using batch size to tell Openart how many results you want at the same time. Increase it to explore multiple options at once. Keep in mind, higher batch sizes use more credits and take longer to render, so it's smart to start smaller, review the results, and then scale up when you're confident in your prompt and model choice. A good workflow is to start with a smaller batch, check which direction looks best, then generate a larger batch once your prompt is more refined. When everything looks good, click Generate. Openart will process your request and display a grid of results based on your batch size. This grid makes it easier to compare different versions side by side, so you can quickly spot which image has the best composition, style, lighting, or overall feel. From here, you can review what worked, note what didn't, and refine your description if needed for another round. If the results are close but not perfect, make small changes instead of rewriting the whole prompt. For example, adjust the lighting, remove one unwanted detail, or make the style direction more specific. That's the full path to bulk style creation. Open the suite, go to Image, switch to Image Variations, choose a model, upload a reference, describe your changes, set your batch size, and generate. Once you understand that batch size is the main control for bulk output, the whole process becomes much easier to use. Try a few prompt tweaks and model choices, and you'll quickly dial in a reliable bulk workflow. This is a great way to save time, test creative directions, build image sets, generate thumbnail ideas, compare styles, and find the best result without doing everything one image at a time.